Public Safety Spectrum Trust. The Public Safety Spectrum Trust Corporations was a non-profit organization which represents the radio spectrum needs of police, fire, and ambulance agencies in the United States. The PSST was selected by the Federal Communications Commission (FCC) as the Public Safety Broadband Licensee (PSBL) for the 10 MHz of 700 MHz public safety nationwide broadband spectrum. In 2006, the FCC proposed in Docket 6-229 that they could be used for sharing public safety spectrum with commercial users in former UHF TV spectrum after the transition to digital television. In its August 2007 Docket 6-229 decision, the FCC voted to implement the 700 MHz public/private partnership and implementation of interoperable spectrum concepts in the 700 MHz band subject to a minimum bid of $1.04 billion. It later designated the Public Safety Spectrum Trust to represent public safety interests in this band and negotiate with the auction winner for a mutual agreement on band use and public and private access to it. The block which was auctioned is commonly referred to as the D block. Conditions of the auction would have required the winning bidder to fund the build-out of a nationwide broadband interoperable communication system for public safety use in the PSST's 10 MHz of spectrum. The auction was not successful in attracting a bidder to meet the minimum bid threshold. In addition, the winning bidder would have been required to allow public safety use to preempt commercial use on the D block during emergencies. PSST member organizations. The board of directors of the PSST is made up of representatives of the following organizations: American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials (AASHTO), American Hospital Association (AHA), Association of Public Safety Communications Officials International (APCO), Forestry Conservation Communications Association (CCA), International Association of Chiefs of Police (IAC), International Association of Fire Chiefs (IAF), International City/County Management Association (ICMA), International Municipal Signal Association (IMSA), National Association of State Emergency Medical Services Officials (NASSO), National Association of State 9-1-1 Administrators (NASNA), National Emergency Management Association (NEMA), National Emergency Number Association (NENA), National Fraternal Order of Police (NFOP), National Governors Association (NGA), National Sheriffs Association (NSA). PSST Executives: Harlan McEwen, Chairman, IAC; Kevin McGinnis, Vice Chairman, NASO; Alan Caldwell, Secretary Treasurer, IAF. PSST Board of Directors. Final members: William Brownlow, AASHTO; John T. Collins, AHA, AHA, Chris Pfister, APO, Paul Leary of CCA; Harlan McEwen, Chairman, IAC; Alan Caldwell, Secretary Treasurer, IAF; Mark Rickman, Eichmann, 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 Douglas Aiken, IMSSSing, 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 IMSSS. Kevin McGinnis, Vice Chairman, NASO. Richard Taylor, NASNR, 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 NASNR. Michael Klein, Nemam, Klein, Nemam, Mine, Nemam, Mine, Nemam, Klein, Nemam, Klein, Nemam, Mine, Nemam, Mine, Nemam, Mine, Nemam, Mine, Nemam. Rick Galway, Nina, David Hiller, and Fox, Ray Layer and Gar and Gar, Gar and Gar, and Gar, Paul Fitzgerald and SAPEST members, Jason Barber, Nina, John Contestebile and Gar and Gar and Gar and Gar Inga, Inga. Craig Jorgensen, a poem, a poem, a poem.